You only use me for hair? That's cute.
Heat me up on stubborn stickers. I loosen glue in seconds.
Warm plastic dents? I help reshape them.
Crayon on walls? I soften it for easy cleaning. Wet shoes? I dry them fast.
Foggy mirror? Crystal clear in seconds. Dust hiding in keyboards? I blow it away.
Need air fast? I help inflate.
Tight jar lid? Heat helps loosen it.
Fresh nails? I speed up drying.
Water rings on wood? Gentle heat helps. Slightly loose cotton? I help adjust it.
Hot, helpful, surprisingly smart. Don't box me into the bathroom.
Like, follow, and subscribe for more videos.